Every brilliant idea begins with a vision. To reach zero defects, we asked ourselves, what if technology could take over final quality inspection so our people could do what they do best? Innovate, create, and save lives. So we got to work. We made AI work for us to add value. Like the AI-powered robot that now inspects leather components, scanning the tiniest flaws, faster and more accurately than ever before. It's precise, tireless, and always learning. Because at Autoliv, we're not just keeping up with change, we're leading the way, setting new standards in quality, safety, and innovation. This isn't just automation, it's transformation.